Hey, how's it going? And today I just wanted to talk about an easy way to learn the verse terminology. You go online, there's a verse glossary, and it has over 200 terms. It's interesting to note right up here at the very top, it says verse is a new programming language. So if you're an experienced programmer and you see something you don't fully get, check this glossary. Even for experienced programmers, this could be something new. So if you're just starting out and this is your first language that you're learning and you're trying to take in all of this can be a little much trying to just read through the glossary. There's a lot to it. And so there actually is a Fortnite game that you can check out. It's pretty cool. It's called Learn 200 Terms in Verse. It's island code 1787 7893 3253. You just can go in the search bar and search for Learn 200 Terms or type in that island code directly. And what this game will do is it will take you through 200 terms and their definitions in verse. And all the definitions have been abbreviated. So it's very simple. It's a much more fun way of trying to understand what all these terms mean. One thing that I found in learning verse myself is that the terms are very important and they have different meanings in verse than they do in other languages. So if you're trying to get started with verse and you're just looking for a fun way to get familiar with the terminology, which is actually important, I would suggest this game. I think it's more fun than just reading the glossary as it is. So anyway, take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.